The impetus for starting the Carmel Christkindlmarkt really began with the vision of Mayor Jim Brainerd. He had been to Germany on a few different occasions during the holiday time and saw the Christkindlmarkts in Germany and other European countries. And he thought, oh my gosh, this would be amazing for Carmel residents to be able to experience this. So January of 2017, I was at a business networking event and the mayor was there sharing about his vision for the upcoming year. And one of the things he said was, I want to create an authentic German Christmas market right here in Carmel. And immediately tears just began to well up in my eyes because I did spend a year as a foreign exchange student in Germany. And my first holiday experiences with Christmas were with my host family in Germany. And I just went up to him afterwards and said, hi, I'm Maria. I love Germany. I still have contacts there with my host family and friends. And if there's anything I can do to help, I want to be involved as much as I can.
As a German transplant who's been in the United States for a long time and a mom of two and my husband, it's really hard for us to get back to Germany. So having the Carmel Christkindlmarkt right here in the heart of Indiana is a little piece of home that we can enjoy every year. It's definitely a tradition. What sets the Carmel Christkindlmarkt apart from all the others is that we are fully staying true to what a Christkindlmarkt or a Weihnachtsmarkt would look like in Germany or anywhere in Europe. And that includes the names on the huts, that includes wood carvers, wood turners, glass blowers, kids entertainment that is as authentic as possible, really carefully sourced food and products, and our vendors work directly with vendors in Germany. Overall, together with the rest of the team, trying to recreate some of the things that we would do in Germany.
We got involved with the Carmel Christkindlmarkt because Maria reached out to me out of the blue from seeing us in Chicago. And I, didn't know much about Carmel. Looked it up a little bit and thought, it's a smaller market than we're usually doing as far as the city goes. We arranged a visit, but at the time there was a farmer's market going on. It was good to see because I do farmers markets. I do 12 a week in Chicago. Coming to Carmel and seeing that farmers market, and it was a really nice farmers market, really good vendors, really well put together. And then the more I spoke with Maria about it, I really got a feel for how they were doing it right, how they had gone to Germany, had seen markets over there, had seen markets in the US that were successful. And I could tell the city was behind it, and I really thought they had done their homework and were gonna put on a really good market, which is hard to do. What keeps us coming back each year to Carmel is how the market is constantly and continuously growing and expanding. Each year there's a few new booths, there's a few opportunities to try new concepts, there's more people coming out each year. We really appreciate how the community has really embraced it and kind of taken it in as their own.
The mission of the Carmel Christkindlmarkt as a 501c3 is to educate about Germanic culture. One of the ways that we do this is by putting on the Carmel Christkindlmarkt, which allows us to create this amazing venue for this education of our guests. When I think about the Carmel Christkindlmarkt and how it has grown from this idea to now this major event for the state of Indiana and for the city of Carmel, it really feels overwhelming, and I feel a sense of deep honor to walk around the market and see the smiles, to see it bringing families together, bringing different demographics of people all coming together in this venue and celebrating something that was so meaningful and special to me. There really aren't words for the impact that it has on my heart, and being able to really hold the privilege of sharing another culture that has meant so much to me. There's just a sense of community and joy and love that comes with the market.
We have such a big loving group that have done this from day one. They all bring a smile, they bring that love in their heart to make this event happen and have people make it a tradition, something that they look forward to every year, something that they have their kids experience every year.
We really want to make the market special, and I know it wouldn't be possible without all of the people who are invested in seeing this be a successful event for the city of Carmel, for the state of Indiana, and for all the guests who come from across the Midwest.